Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to announce winner 5 of my Thankful November Subbie giveaway. I'm very thankful for all my subbies. They helped me reach 500 last month in October, and so to celebrate them, I was having giveaways all month long, and this is my 5th giveaway winner. I have one more giveaway. It is giveaway 6, and I will link the video here because I think it has been released already. And this was the winning prize. It was a die for giveaway 5. And so you just needed to leave a comment what you were grateful for on my video number 5. So I am going to copy the URL, go to the random picker, insert the URL, get YouTube comments. They say it's 34 of them. Filter for duplicate users. Try again. Still 34. So good luck to the 34. Thank you, thank you. Here we go. Congratulations. Fun Paper Arts channel. Oh my gosh. Congratulations, girl. So she says, I am grateful for my family. Yes. So I hope you guys had a blessed Thanksgiving and that you are not too full, got a little shopping in. And again, look for giveaway 6. It's my final giveaway for this month. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. And until my next video, you can find more videos here. Shakas!